I have an item that you guys are not going to want to miss this winter, and it is our Xmas light kit. So for Christmas, the only thing that is illuminated does not have to be refined to your tree. You can also illuminate your car or truck. We are offering these kits in different sizes to tailor to your vehicle and its size. It comes in this very, very cool box. It comes with a remote controller and also able to be controlled by this app here, which, as you guys can see on the fly, I'm able to change to any color I want. And also the really cool functions like bouncing lights and strobing lights and all that kind of stuff that you guys would want to experiment with. So if you're looking to get one of the coolest, cleanest kits to install, and by cleanest I mean it comes with these very, very nice clear pieces of adhesive that not only stick to the car very, very well, but also come off of the car without leaving any adhesive behind at all. So I could rip these lights off and not even have to wash it. But make sure you head over to legendsautoparts.com and pick up a Christmas light kit for your vehicle.